What's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video here on EMKWAN Reviews. So, iOS 10 dropped. Now this video is designed to give you 5 convincing reasons why I believe you should upgrade your iOS device to the latest version, which is iOS 10. Now before I begin, it seemed like some people were having issues at the beginning with the upgrade, but it looks like Apple have completely fixed that, so it's now safe to upgrade your device. Now the first reason why you want to upgrade is UI, or user interface. Now Apple haven't drastically changed anything, but what they have done is throughout the operating system added key minor changes that I feel, in my experience, have actually proved to be functionally relevant. And I'll give you an example. One of those is Notification Center. Now I previously hardly ever used the Notification Center, but with this update, the Notification Center is much more dynamic. You can swipe across to access it or swipe down. It's full of information that is dynamic, vibrant, and it changes as well. And also, there are key sort of changes within the UI that you'll find the more you use iOS 10. There are also changes in applications, and one of the applications that I want to talk about is music. Now, if you're a big music user like I am, you'll notice that Apple have changed the UI. Again, not in a fundamental way, but they've changed it in a much more functional way. Things are now in a much more organized way, things are connected better, and it's just a cleaner, much more practical look overall. And I'm really enjoying using music now. Another app which has a UI change is Photos, and Apple have introduced Memories. Now I thought Memories was going to be a bit of a gimmick, but actually it's changed the way the Photos apps is used by me, and basically Memories allows you to group media around a certain location or a time. It's a great addition to Photos. The second reason why you want to upgrade, and probably the most important, is the speed. iOS 10 currently is super fast. It feels like I have a brand new device. This is iOS 10 running on my iPhone 6, and really it's just super fast. So that reason alone is worth considering upgrading to iOS 10. The third reason is in iMessage. Now Apple made a big deal about this. iMessage previously was kind of very boring, static, but with iOS 10, it's actually in between something like WhatsApp and Snapchat. It's just so much more fun to slam a message into someone else's iMessage inbox than it was previously on iMessage. And you know what? Apple have incorporated certain key elements of messaging, things like this digital touch, which you can tell has been ported over from the Apple Watch experience. Again, the more you use them, the more people interact with you with these elements, they actually make the whole experience on iMessage much more fun, and I'm a big fan of that currently. Now you can also record videos, you can also add sort of Snapchat-esque filters to those, and it's overall enhancing the messaging experience on iMessage. Now the other reason to upgrade, I think this is reason number 4 now, is in the keyboard. The keyboard now is much more intelligent. It incorporates emojis in there, and overall it's moved up a couple of notches from that kind of boring keyboard that we found on iOS. Now the next reason is to do with Siri. It's kind of a reason and not a reason, because I haven't been able to kind of really test this out fully. Apple have promised us the fact that Siri will now be much more easily incorporated with third-party apps, and that's really a cool feature to have. The final reason, and again probably an awesome reason to upgrade to iOS 10, is the fact that we can get rid of those annoying stock apps. So there we go guys, those are 5 really simple reasons why I think it's worth upgrading to iOS 10. If you have any other reasons you've been using iOS 10, then leave a comment down below, and until next time, I'll see you for the next video, which will feature hopefully an iPhone 7. So until then, peace and blessings.